we're gonna grab our arrow. This is an arrow that I made, and I'm gonna take my eyelash off. To protect our eye, we're gonna use a cotton pad and make it smaller in order to fit our eye. I'm adding some eyelash glue around my eye to hold this pad. Now with some spirit gum, I'm gonna dip my arrow and I'm gonna hold it on place with a piece of napkin or a Kleenex, or you can use cottons too. I'm gonna use this liquid latex that has a natural skin color, and I'm using 2 layers just to get it a better hold into my eye. We need to let it dry before we apply more concealer in order to make it more our skin color. Time to make it creepy, and I'm using this thick blonde, and I'm gonna apply 1 layer and let it dry a little bit and then go over with another layer to make it darker and to make it look more dimensional. And to finish, I'm gonna use this vermilion dark dripping product to make it look more creepy. And this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.